Well, like the ice cream cone. There's a new one out.
That one we did like a lot.
What's that? Isn't it cookies and cream cone? The newest one that just came out?
I don't know what that one.
That one? Hey, y'all.
It had the chocolate covered cones in there.
Look, y'all.
And then you remember the
I'm about to. Ooh.
To you, Ely fam. Top of the morning. We are back with another what, babe?
Biggity.
Vlog. We back with another Biggie vlog for y'all today. We got baby Ari in the cut. Got your girl Bree in the cut. Boom. We back and we better. We got that boy Marcus.
You already know it's me. Hey, my face not even in it.
It was in it.
My face wasn't even in it, right?
Yeah, stop playing. But y'all, this is gonna be a very interesting, a very good vlog for you all. It's been a little minute since it's been a minute since we vlogged, like a minute.
We'll tell y'all,
We'll give y'all a tea. Got some Cheetos, y'all. It's the best kind.
Give y'all a tea while we ride. We'll see what's going on. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? The vlog and the update. Oh, we got a lot of updates.
We got a lot to tell y'all. A lot. But I know the background look a little different to y'all. We'll see y'all. We'll show y'all when y'all get more into the video. We're gonna show y'all what's up.
So before we go, put it on me. Go ahead and tell them. Anyway, so before we get into the video, I want y'all to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. Come join the Ely family, and y'all turn on that bell so you'll be notified.
Every time I post a video.
Another video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that vlog.
Anyway, like I was saying, we don't have much. We have to plan today, but we have much planned today. We're supposed to be going to Mama's house. His mama, which is my mama, house. Yeah, I don't like how he drinks sometimes. Like that was good, that makes me so mad.
Get y'all some pure leaf.
I see a girl's hair, boo. I did my own hair. Check it out. Yeah, the girl did that.
Oh, we forgot to bring.
No. I did put baby Ari in there already. You're late.
You know what? She put her in there. She talking. She wants to
say hey, girl. Say hey. Say hey.
She don't want to talk. She don't talk a lot.
She talk a lot, y'all. She don't want to show y'all. She's kind of shy right now, but she'll open up. But we're going to Mama's house. We're supposed to eat brunch, but I don't know if we're still going or not. But I want to still go eat brunch. So we're going over there. She's the one talking in front of the camera. But we're doing that, and then we supposed to go around a little bit, right? Just to get some little free time, since we both free today. And then after that, we don't have much planned today. I know I'm gonna cook something later, so I might have a little snippet of a little cooking, some cooking with the Ely family. Y'all, we miss y'all so much. We miss y'all so much. We miss y'all so much, y'all. Like, we're literally, we miss y'all. We haven't been on the camera. It feels good to be back on the camera, just talking to y'all. Y'all know?
Y'all probably
we posted a video, 2 videos at that, but you know, we haven't been back like this, so y'all probably forgot about. I hope y'all ain't forgot about us. Don't forget about us, y'all. Please don't forget about us.
I told y'all in one video, when some things start happening, some stuff is gonna be happening. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to making videos.
Anyways, like I was saying.
Hey! That ain't right, bro.
It is right. We gonna see y'all in a little bit. Just give me a little sec. I'm gonna come right back. Okay, I promise. Right back.
The back door, and the window was open.
So
He reached right in and
my people's house.
Because
Cause we got big head in the cut. Man, get out the car. You always doing that. Oh, y'all gotta see this too. Oh, she about to do. Oh, so we just chilling over at Mama's house. We got.
Finally made it to Mama's house. We ate everything.
You know what I'm saying? Let me show you a little bit.
We ate everything.
No, we still good.
everybody looked at me and took off running. I was like, this is, I was scared to get out of the L train.
I don't know, baby.
Yeah.
She knocked out. Y'all want to see? I'm knocked out. So yeah, bro, I'm chilling over here. We chilling. That's it. We got family over there. Getting together. My aunt came down. They came from Chi-Town. Come hang out with my mom for a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna be gone in a little bit. So. We here? Oh, I gotta tell you, we just had some. We had some water burger. That water burger was lit, bro. Still want some more. But anyways, so catch y'all. See y'all when we go to our next destination. Yeah.
Hey y'all. I told y'all I'll be right back, and I'm back, right?
Nope.
I told y'all. I said right back, and boom, here I
That
am.
was the point. That's why I recorded earlier. They already knew you was.
But I told them like.
Yeah. See, look at you. Can't even talk.
See, y'all. This is what happens. Then we still here chilling as usual. Ain't doing much. Like I said, we ain't doing much. We ain't doing much today. Just chilling and stuff. And what?
Do something.
Something. Huh?
Something.
Oh, it's nothing.
What happened? I ain't gonna pay attention.
But yeah, we can be sure.
Might go right around.
Just a little bit, like this much.
So look, put it together. Put it together. Just
there you go.
Just that much
Just
you
a
can see,
little
right?
bit.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all, this vlog gonna be kind of everywhere.
We everywhere.
Y'all gonna be seeing a little bit of something here and there.
Yep.
There and here.
See, look. Y'all saw our apartment. A little bit. Oh, yeah. We still gotta show you the car.
We haven't told them yet. I told them we're gonna tell them right now.
I said we gotta show them.
But they know. I just told them we had new scenery. I seen new scenery. I ain't tell them what it was. So y'all, he said something already now. They don't know. They don't know what I was talking about.
I ain't saying what it was.
Y'all.
What's wrong with her?
Anyways, since he already said something, if you haven't figured it out already, yes, we have a new car. Yes. We are leaving Mom's house, finna head back to his house. Baby Ari in the cut.
She's sitting by herself, y'all.
But I'm still right here.
But we're still right here.
I'm still right here by her though.
I know.
But yeah, we finna head back to the house.
Yeah.
Got some stuff to show y'all when we get back. Some stuff when we get back. But now I'm saying that we got some stuff to show y'all. We got some stuff to show y'all when we get back, right? Yeah, so it's gonna be a little 40-minute drive home. Little road trip. We still going around the road? And maybe. Y'all, we can't wait. Like, we've been thinking about, our lease is up in November. And
You want to just tell them that when we get home? So we can just tell all the good news at one time?
I mean, yeah, I guess so.
Let's just do that. Look, when we get home, we get settled, we're going to tell you all the good news. All right? You hear from the beginning
to the end.
So y'all can be prepared.
Oh, we can get a little story time. No?
You interrupted me.
Story time. Oh, it was done. I'm sorry. Wait. We're going to give y'all a little story time when we get back home. Oh, some stuff y'all might like to hear. Listen and hear. Yes. We didn't know what it is yet. I feel cute today. I look pretty. Screenshot this, y'all. Screenshot that and tag us on Instagram. Go follow us on Instagram. My name is Bree Simone.
Matter of fact, you ain't got to tell them. You know why? Because it's right there. It's right there.
In the description.
Right here, too. It's right here on the screen. Right here and right here.
In the description.
And in the description down below. Go follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Snapchat if y'all get on Snapchat.
I don't get on.
Or matter of fact,
like that.
Me neither. So actually follow us on Instagram.
And subscribe to our channel.
Do it. What she said. And follow us on Facebook too.
Oh yeah.
Facebook.
We'll have everything down. Y'all see it.
Y'all can see it.
But yes, follow us. Subscribe to our channel like right now. This right there.
You see that button right there?
And that bell
right now.
And
you
that
see
bell,
that bell
right there next to it.
Yeah, you know what? Please comment down below.
And you see a big thing at the third thing say comment. Leave a comment.
We don't see no comments. We try.
It's not that hard. It's not that hard.
I know we've been kind of lacking a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? Come on. Tell us what you want to see. We'll do it.
That's simple. Say hey. Oh, we gonna talk to them now?
You want to talk, Minnie? She don't want to talk. She's shy to
Never mind. She don't talk. I think she's sleepy still. She'll sleep on the But yeah, it's love about you all.
But we'll see how we get to the Look at this. Look at this. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the... Stop doing that. Why are you doing that?
Sorry.
Get out the car, y'all. So as y'all can see, y'all, this is the 2015 Chevy Equinox. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit inside of
I
it.
couldn't sit in the car while you did that because I'm hot.
All right, y'all. So this here is the 2015 Chevy Equinox. Man, look at this. Go ahead, get the view. Get the view. Get the view. Get the view of this car, man. Look at just look at that bad boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Don't do that, Brianna. Don't do that. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you a little bit of, the features in this car. So right now, y'all want to look, pay attention right here. Go ahead and show this dashboard right here. You know what I'm saying? So right here, we got this nice little dashboard. It shows you the speed limit and all. Speed limit. The miles per hour, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Now, if you come over here and you press these little buttons right here. Now, if you look, you can change the settings. To navigation, the timer, and all that other good stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? One thing about this car is very spacious. Really, really spacious. How you think about this car? What you think?
Good. I like this car.
You like this car?
Yeah, there's a lot of room. Like in my Lexus, you still have a Lexus feel, but in that car, like when I sit in the back and stuff, it don't have like a lot of space for me to stretch out and argue and stuff.
I know.
This car do.
This got all kind of leg room back here. Oh, look at the baby. And another feature that we like about this car is, of course, what Brianna really likes is Bluetooth. She enjoys the Bluetooth.
Hook up to the car.
Sorry about that, y'all. Phone cut off on us. I don't know what happened. But like we were saying, she likes the Bluetooth feature. She get to hook her phone up to the car. It won't go to it.
And then remember the man was telling us like we have to do something on here.
Yeah. So there's this button right here. It's this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me push it up to it. Yeah. You press this little blue button right here. It's that on off. What is it called? OnStar or something like that.
Yeah. Like he was like, if we do that, we can connect it to like the car and all that. We can get like Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi.
Satellite radio. Also, it's like a lot of stuff you can
all
get.
Kind of good
Yeah.
stuff.
So we're gonna do that because I want some Wi-Fi, especially on road trips.
Especially when we're on road trips and stuff. Huh?
Yeah, because that'll be lit. Like on road trips, that'd be good because our connection, like, we'll have connection.
And even though she got Bluetooth and she got her phone connected to the car, she got all these button selections right here. She's able to call, hang up, sync, go through her sources and stuff right here with this button. Volume control, cruise control. You know what I'm saying?
If you didn't know, babe, you also can push this and it can change it for you.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's the source button.
You
go up and down, or you press on it, and when you press on this button, it changes the source.
You know why? I'm confused. This is why I say SRC.
It's called source.
Source is short for source. I never knew.
Anyways, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got it. You know what's funny? What? These windows, for some odd reason, are a little bit tinted. Not all the way.
A little bit darker, but this is fine for right now because my Lexus didn't have no tint.
Man, it's only got a little bit of tint.
Everybody can see. No, the Lexus have no tint.
No tint?
No, the Lexus got no tint. Look at it. It's right through it. You can see right through this car like that. Besides the front. But the sides you can't really see. But it's all like that.
Yeah.
Though. People are going to be standing like this in your car.
All in the car. Why people so nosy?
I know one time I was eating. This we had the Lexus. We had this car here. I was eating some ice, and you know when I was pregnant, these people were staring at me. I was pregnant, eating ice in the other car, and people were staring at me, looking at me eat my ice. Like who want? Like weird. It's just weird.
People all in your car.
Yeah, looking at you like. And then I looked up and here turning their head around. Anyway, that's the point. This is the rest of the car.
Show the rest of the car real quick. You see my shadow? I'm big. Anyways, let's get to the back of the car. All right. So, got big head right here. You know, as you can see, we got a five-seater seat right here. Got a little mirror for the baby.
It's not a 5-seater seat right here. It's a 3-seater.
I said this is a 5-seater car.
Oh.
Anyways, as she was trying to correct me, this is a 5-seater car. We got these little things back here on the back of the car. I like these right here. We can put stuff back here. These windows are a little bit tinted too, including the trunk window too, I think, huh?
Yeah.
The trunk window is a little tinted. Got a little space back here, you know, put our stroller and stuff back here. There's our little ninny right
One
here.
thing for sure we want to do is change out the rims.
Yeah, we're gonna paint it. Get it
We're
what?
going like black.
We're going like gloss black though.
Yeah, and get the windows more tinted.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know what else we're gonna do to the car, but yeah, that's one thing we're sure that we're gonna do.
Mm-hmm. And one other thing I like is these doors. They have there's a cup holder here, one over there, one up front over here, one right there. They got two up here.
Oh, and also, well, baby's right there, but
baby's right here, but it's two back here. Another thing we like is this thing right here, this little bar right here. So what this bar can do is move the seat forward, move it back.
And then that right there, the handle right there.
Oh, this right here.
It'll just need to go back, up and back.
Oh yeah, this adjusts the seat too, so it can actually lean the seats back. So that way, you know, you can lay down in it, huh?
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get these rims, you know what I'm saying, gloss black once up in the front and the back. Y'all comment down below. Comment down.
The car is the logo, not the logo. Yeah, the logo of the car is already blacked out. So we ain't gotta change it.
Let me show you. See this logo right here? The logo is black. It's actually kind of lit. So we kind of want to get it that black on these rims. So y'all comment down below what kind of black y'all think we should do, gloss or what? It don't matter.
The grill's blacked out too.
And on the front of the car too, y'all. Similar again, black. Got this part right here, black. You know what I'm saying? And it's pretty cool. I like this car. This is a pretty, you know, perfect family car. That's why you got some on your teeth.
Cheetos. But yeah, like we were saying.
So that's a blessing, y'all. That's one thing. That's one good thing we wanted to show y'all. Tell y'all. This is what we got, a brand new car.
Yeah.
We had this car since.
Got it like 3 weeks ago or 4. A month ago? Has it been a month already? I don't know.
It's about to be a month.
It's finna be a month.
We had this car for a whole month, y'all. We didn't get a chance to make a video and actually show y'all. We just been busy, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, cause I know I do hair and stuff.
But it's no excuse.
It's not. It's just the fact that I don't know. We got a baby and I do hair too, so it's like he be working too. So
you know what I'm saying? I'm working.
Come home.
She working a lot of hours. I work a lot of hours. And
then when I come home, be like, oh my gosh, you drained out. I be wanting to make videos. Like trust me, I be wanting to make videos. Like.
But here's the thing though. There's no excuse.
It's not an excuse.
Because there's people out there that's working a lot of hours and they still got the time to put in a video.
Yeah, but we getting there. We getting there. Just give us some time.
We're trying to adjust to that. So now we actually know how to adjust to it. So now it'll be much smoother and much easier to make these videos. Remember, well, I told you in the last video, we're gonna be consistent. Now we figured it out, so that's what we're gonna do. Make more videos, more bangers.
But yeah, we gonna stay in the house because it's getting hot outside. I'm ready to go in.
It's hot outside, but it feels good in here, so it's a little cool.
True. See how we get in the house. See, we trying to get her to like crawl and stuff, but she being stubborn and stuff. She don't want like to crawl.
She's not being stubborn, Brianna.
She is being stubborn.
No, she's not. She's taking her time. Don't say that about me.
She being stubborn, y'all.
No, she's not.
Hey, pretty girl.
No, don't call her stubborn, then call her pretty.
Hey, pretty girl.
Don't call her pretty. She's stubborn.
Hey, pretty girl. Look at her. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. What, girl?
Honey.
She always do
What are you
this.
doing? Hi. Hi, mama. Hey.
Now she... Aria.
I think she's sleeping. Look at her eyes.
We trying to get her to crawl and stuff. Oh, by the way, we were back in the house.
Yep.
Y'all didn't know. Y'all didn't know this. It was in the house now. Yeah, we just chilling. Taking our time.
Wait. She moving. Wait, she just moved.
She did.
You're moving.
You gonna move for us, mommy?
She's moving. She just came from here to here.
What? Shut up.
Pay attention.
Hey.
Babe, her face was just behind us, not her face in front of her. She moved. You doing it. Baby, you doing it.
Y'all.
Okay, man, I think she can come.
You tired, mama?
Look at all the energy she using. I forget she's a baby.
No, she's an adult. Hi. You ready to get up? You ready to get up?
How she get on here then? She moved.
What, girl? Y'all, I think she looks ready to walk.
No, she low-key ready to crawl.
So let's crawl. I think she got a boo-boo.
You got boo-boo?
You got a boo-boo, girl? Oh, y'all, she got a boo-boo, y'all. Look at her face.
My baby too big.
Aria.
Baby, you got boo-boo? Huh?
Looney. You got a boo-boo, mama?
She's sleeping. Yep, that's boo-boo.
I'm finna help her, y'all.
Cause look, she's stopping.
She's trying to.
A few moments later.
Y'all, we are back. We're back. Baby, Ari's gonna go to sleep. She's trying to make her stay asleep. We want to show y'all something. Like, this is okay. This is going to be Ari's room, but as of now, she's just sleeping in her own room.
Yeah,
So this is supposed to be Ari's room, but as of now, she's not laying in her own room. She's in because I've been unfortunate. I don't know how that happens, but somehow.
I wonder how. Look at the camera. Tell them what happened. I can't even talk to this.
Anyways, my time is great. But no, so a little bit.
So tell me what we're gonna do.
This is gonna be our recording room for our YouTube. Just this section.
Just right here.
And this like just this. Just that.
Don't worry about this stuff back there. Just worry about right here.
But yeah, we're gonna record. We're gonna start our videos in here, our little challenges, and you know.
Do every little thing that we said we was gonna do.
Yeah, stuff like that. So, with that being said, we're gonna look up more videos because now we got space. Cause you know, at first, remember I had my laptop in here first. I was doing my hair in here and all of that.
Yeah.
But girl, I got on place now. I got to have my house, so therefore I got space to do YouTube.
Yep.
What?
What? Anyways, so
what?
in a snap of the finger, watch how everything changes. Are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. No, wait. Try one more time, cause ain't nothing happened. So we gotta do it again. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, you guys, we got set up. Got stuff cleaned up, you know what I'm saying? We got the ring light. Let's see how she looks. Oh, she looks lit, y'all. Y'all see that? Ooh, get a clear view right there. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all, let me know if I'm like a student.
How we look?
You look like a student?
Oh, wait. Cause it didn't have this over here. Now it's got everything.
So do we look like students? Wait.
Baby, what I do? What I do? I don't know what I did.
If y'all heard that in the room, y'all comment down below what he did and then come let me know. Because he know what he did.
I don't know what I did, baby.
You stank. Bad. Like, and they stink like you. Just know you stank bad. That much.
I don't know what you're talking about, y'all. I ain't do that.
He did. Y'all
All I
heard
did
that.
was just sit in the chair and just talk. It's not like I farted or anything.
Exactly. Yeah, like farted. Like, you want Starbucks?
What? I just told you that Starbucks in here.
Look, it's a difference between.
Look at this, y'all. Come on. Explain it. Go ahead.
It's a difference between.
It's a
It's
addition?
the difference between
Oh, okay.
the Starbucks we have in there and Starbucks.
What's the difference?
Starbucks.
Why?
The
Because
drink
the
from
whipped
Starbucks.
cream and the caramel and all that
I
stuff.
wanted the.
What? Stop playing, bro. What's that? She ain't getting it because I don't know what she's talking about. I went to camera and getting a frappuccino. You heard that?
Don't do violence. It's not good.
Yeah. See?
There's something in here. No,
No.
for real. No, for real. No, I'm serious. Babe, I'm serious. Turn around. Babe, for real.
Okay.
Stop. No, 'cause I can't get right here. Right there.
See that? Kids, don't listen to what she said. We don't promote violence over here. Y'all know our lifestyle. We're Christians. We don't do that stuff.
We don't do that stuff. We don't do that stuff.
But anyways, we about to go to Starbucks. We might as well get something to eat, right? It's too late to cook.
It's 8 o'clock already. Like,
It's 8 o'clock. Y'all, time be moving fast. It be moving fast. I don't know.
Y'all, his butt. all
Y'all comment down below.
We always want to eat something out to eat.
We was-
Always, y'all.
See, we was supposed to put some in the video. We was gonna show y'all a little something, a little cook, little
But no,
cookie
he
snippet
want to
thing.
eat out. He want to eat out like he always want to do. Oh my gosh.
But you don't want to say I don't like cooking. Like, so if it's late, I don't want to cook.
It's the same thing.
No. Go ahead. Show him a little. Show it all. Go ahead. Y'all better watch out for her. Show.
No,
But anyway, I don't know. Y'all comment down below what's something good to eat.
I know he gonna. Well, we had Whataburger earlier. See, we don't be eating out too much. Does that look funny to y'all? I'm getting dizzy. Wait,
Go ahead.
but nah. Okay, maybe I shouldn't get Starbucks then. Maybe I just should get. Sorry, y'all. Maybe we just get something to eat and then come back home. But then, you know what? I'm gonna get Starbucks in the morning tomorrow. Though, so I'm gonna crave Starbucks. So we gonna eat then. No, he. We can go to Chipotle.
I don't want to go no more.
That sounds delightful. Very delightful.
I don't want to go no more.
We're going.
I'm staying.
We all finna go. Dang, I wonder if they had a way like that we can like order online. We just go in and pick it up for the waiting in line. And we did.
If you can order anything from anywhere, I'm pretty sure you can do it.
Yeah, he think he knows stuff.
Just saying.
Y'all, so your girl's trying to lose some weight. Before my birthday is June 29th. My birthday is June 23rd. Yes, it's almost here. I'm not like big, but I want to get down to at least like
I'm big.
170.
I am big.
That's the smallest. I mean, I don't want to be skinny.
I'm 240.
I'm 185. I want to get down to. I want to get down to at least 170 at least.
I want to get to at least 200, but
We can do this kind of.
yeah,
And you know, one thing is about losing weight, you have to eat healthy, drink a lot of water, exercise too. But another thing is you can't eat after a certain time.
No, here's the key, y'all, and y'all know y'all can't see. Matter of fact, I'm showing my face. So, the key to losing weight is to cut that crap.
Or you gotta cut lies.
Cut all of it. Cut. Period. You still hold the thing in your hand.
I wasn't doing nothing.
Don't.
I be telling you that. Cause you know it's true.
Ooh,
We never gave y'all a fully furnished house tour.
You know what? No cap. We're gonna make another video so y'all can see the full apartment tour.
Cause we never showed y'all like the full.
We've never showed you everything.
I mean, we haven't decorated all things, but the house is fully furnished. But we don't have it like decorated.
It's our fault, and we've been here since August. That is no excuse.
No bueno. Baby, since August, babe.
And they ain't seen nothing yet.
And our house been furnished since day one.
Since since the first day we got here.
Everything before we moved in.
We did, and we got everybody to move stuff in that day too. It's crazy.
Dang, y'all, I'm sorry. You supposed to be here. Y'all saw the empty house too.
I saw the empty house too. Y'all saw when I was working on the bed. Was putting the bed up. Cousin was helping out. But you have to finish it off that night.
Anyway, my father always talking too much.
That was me.
We need to go. I just playing what he just gonna do.
I don't want to get in no more.
But now we're gonna get something to eat, so we're gonna get y'all on the roads to get this thing.
Y'all gonna get in the new whip.
We'll see. Oh, maybe we gotta share something else that we didn't show them in the car. We gotta show them.
There's one. Look, put it on. There's one more feature we didn't show you, and we're gonna show you.
Oh my God, your legs is like folded up on top of the car.
As a matter of fact, the camera not on me. It's way over there. There we go. That's what I like it. We have one more feature.
I don't like how your legs look on the car like that. Like this.
I'm comfortable.
Yeah, it's one more feature that we have to show y'all that we didn't show y'all. I just told them. See how we get in the car.
12 seconds later.
Alright, y'all. So we done stepped out. We finna go to Chipotle, baby. Chipotle. But yeah, we finna go to Chipotle real quick. My baby's still sleepy. She probably gonna be hungry soon. What's the last time she ate?
Let me see. I brought her bottle.
Okay, yeah. Just give it to her. She probably hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we finna go to Chipotle real quick. Matter of fact, we actually got to turn back around.
Pick up our brother.
Pick up our bro and his wife. We finna all go get something to eat. Come back home, eat and chill. And then we still got more good news, so y'all stay tuned because we still got some more stuff to tell you. Ain't that right, baby?
Yep.
Woo-hoo.
We got a lot to tell y'all. I'm so excited.
Excited. But let me tell y'all this though. Everything that's going on, and I want to, motivate y'all. Everything that's going on, we not doing it by ourselves. We are not doing it by ourselves. I can tell you that 100%. Like this car.
It was God. God doing all this stuff.
Like check this out,
the
yo.
Favor. God
This is the favor of God. You know what I'm saying? Like when we went and got this car, we were actually a little nervous.
We was going to test drive cars. We wasn't going there to buy a car. So the fact that we actually got a car that day and wasn't expecting it.
But here's the thing though, when we got the car, we had, you know what I'm saying, people helping us out trying to figure out what's the perfect car for, me, Bree, and the baby. And also as well that we had people that was surrounding us, telling us, they were praying that we get in the car, that we was gonna walk out with a car. And we sitting there like, okay, this has to be God. Because though we were test driving, trying to figure out what we was gonna do day by day, every time we went to go test drive, it was like something about that day, it just felt like, we were excited, like, okay, we're gonna get a car, but yeah, and it was just, I ain't gonna cap, I was nervous, because I was like, dang, where I ain't gonna, I'm gonna say, where we were at, with, money-wise, credit-wise, you know what I'm saying? Everybody go through a storm at one point in time, you know what I'm saying? We was going through the storm, we was going through this, through this little roller coaster.
20 minutes later.
So y'all look, if I made to Chipotle, got the peoples in the cut.
You on the vlog?
Yeah. Say it to the vlog.
What's up, vloggy?
What's up, vlog? I look a mess. I look a mess. But he finally made it to Chipotle. We actually been here just. He waiting on Marcus to come out. And then we gotta go get some food for my sister to take to her house after that. After Chipotle. And after that, they want Whataburger. They bougie, y'all. They want me Chipotle. They want Whataburger.
Same thing. Y'all even bougie. Whataburger more or less than
Bougie?
Chipotle. Chipotle
Nuh-uh.
more uppity than Whataburger. Chipotle more uppity than Whataburger. You get to go in and fix what you want on there.
You don't feel what? Well,
Yeah.
But it's not bougie. Y'all bougie.
Whataburger less.
They being.
This here got chicken, all kinds of stuff.
Don't mean nothing. That mean nothing. Nothing. Yeah, we don't Marcus come out. They had a little line in there, so you know, I'm hungry, y'all. It's late. Well, I'm really like eating this late, but I ain't got no choice but to today.
You gonna get chicken?
I don't like chicken. I don't get on me no minds. I get the veggie. I don't know. I don't like kind of chicken taste someone. Or maybe, or did I hear something about they talking about their meat? I forgot what happened. I think I heard something about they stuff. Before I got interrupted, my camera cut off. I don't know what y'all heard in the other part of the video, but it's a new part of the video.
Hopefully it caught me coming in at least.
I think it did.
You're not.
Did it? But like I'm saying, he finally got everything without me asking. Cause usually I'm extra when I order my Chipotle. I'm too extra.
She too extra, y'all. She always want extra and everything. So I don't know why she want extra.
I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyways.
Your breath out. Don't do that.
Anyways, but yeah, I'm finna go just crap real quick and take my sister's house, get to some Whataburger, and then we're going back home to eat. And we got more stuff to tell when we get back home. So I better stay tuned so I can listen to what I tell y'all.
Stay packed.
No, they don't look like it. But I can't tell. But they used to be real packed, huh?
I'm
not a seafood person, so I don't ever really ate it before.
We got chicken. Chicken still in?
Turn on here, baby. And just go in. Wait, she parking on the other side? Or she?
Front right there.
Oh, right there. Oh, okay. Oh, right there. Park right there. Look at it. Look.
Okay, hot part. Well, y'all, we back at the crib now.
Back at the crib. Oh, now we're starting eating. The girls got hungry. I'm hungry.
Sorry, we pray for food already.
Like I told y'all, this video gonna be everywhere. Literally everywhere.
We were everywhere today, you know what I'm saying? So first thing first, you know, we just thank God for all that He's been doing and putting us in places and positions that we couldn't see and we couldn't understand. So that's first thing first. Good news is we got a lot of things coming soon. We're talking very soon. It's gonna be. This is. Like I've been telling Bree, you know, since last year that this was gonna be our year. Okay, right there. This is gonna be our year. You know, this big moves, big things happening for the family, for the Easy family, of course. I want y'all to stay tuned. Oh, baby, your mouth ran today's finger. Yes. Some big things are gonna be happening. Y'all just stay tuned, rock with us. And for those who've been rocking with us since day one, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for just sticking with us. And for the new ones that came along, we appreciate you. Now we're on the road to 2,000.
Yeah.
On the road to 2,000 subscribers.
Why you get avocado?
Cause I ain't want that.
She put mine, put too much on there.
Yeah, y'all, this has been a journey so far. It's been fun. We enjoy doing these videos. No, other side. No, it's good. You sniffed and snacking.
I'm hungry.
Let me tell y'all something about Bree when it comes to eating.
Don't do that.
When she eats, y'all might. They ain't all family. What are you talking about? Here's the family secret. When food is good to Bree, she smacks and she sniffs. Y'all probably thinking like sniff.
Like.
Yeah,
that.
she.
Don't do that.
Yeah, she.
I don't know why I do it. It's like I don't do all of that.
Yeah, she do. But she sniffs, y'all. I don't know why she sniffs. I be like, baby, why you sniff? And she do that too.
You gotta smell when the food's good. Sorry, y'all.
But like we were saying for the video stopped on the phone, we didn't use our camera today, so we wasn't thinking. So, but back to what we were saying. Yeah, like I was telling Bree, this 2021 is our year. Y'all gonna be seeing us a lot on YouTube. You're gonna see the name.
Way more now.
Way more. I think our problem with
You have to adjust the stuff, you know?
yeah, just trying to adjust and just be consistent. You know what I'm saying? Even though we working a lot outside of YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Now we have a baby. You know, it's a lot of work. But at the same time, we gotta tell ourselves it's not an excuse. Because there's people that are doing way more than us and still got the time to make a video. So. It must be that good.
I'm trying to get them
Look, you just
ASMR. We'll call it SM.
ASMR.
ASMR. I'm trying to get them next to the give me I can get it right.
They heard you since the beginning. But anyways, 2021 is our year. I'm putting it down in the atmosphere, speaking it. This is our year. Y'all gonna be seeing a bunch of bangers, a bunch of vlogs, all kinds of videos.
Just 2K though.
Hey, we on the road to 2K. We are at what? I'm gonna wait.
Make sure to eat your food.
I'm getting all of my left side of my ear.
You got that 1,300?
1,300.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what's going on.
That's what it is, y'all. We ain't gonna tell you the good news until the day comes. So just be on the lookout for that. But just know things are happening soon. Best believe that.
Believe that. Best believe that.
And always look, if you put God first, everything else will line up. Just allow him to work though. It's not on your time. Remember that. Nothing is never on your time.
You gotta allow him to work as you put in the work.
As you put, there you go. Allow him to work while you put him to work. So guess what? You on his time, not on your time. So yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm excited.
I'm very excited.
Yeah, that's it. Ooh.
I don't know why you're not used to it yet.
Bro, I'm used to it, but it's just like, ugh.
You should have been.
Like one day, just all that. It's like, I ain't never, like, I know it's good, but is it that good? Must be. So yeah, man. Please, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the Eating Fam right now. Y'all see that button right there? Subscribe to the Eating Fam.
See that bell right there? Turn that post notifications.
Yeah, y'all comment down below. We want to see some stuff. Y'all let us know what we gotta do, man. Let us know what y'all want to see.
And let us know what's interesting to y'all. Like we want to know. We can be like, you know.
You know what I'm saying? Just to keep y'all interested.
I would like to see. We'll do it. Just let us know what it is.
Nothing too crazy though, but crazy. You can be crazy, but nothing too crazy. Y'all make sure y'all follow us on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow us on Facebook.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not talking because this food was like.
I ain't know. Like I'm telling y'all, I'm sitting right here and she just. It's that good. Is it that good? Like
It's good. I'm hungry.
I know you're hungry, baby, but you going crazy. You smacking like crazy. Smacking like a cow. But yeah. Yo, it is 10:20.
Literally. Y'all.
10:20 at night.
We've been vlogging like all day, literally. Like we took a
Well,
little break,
we've been
but we started vlogging around 10:30ish.
No, 11.
10:40.
Around 11 o'clock.
Yeah, but still, we've been vlogging almost all day.
We've been vlogging since 11. It's about to be 11. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, see, now we back into it now. We wanna, we about it now. Put my baby boy in the camera like that. And you smiling about it and drooling, girl. She a handful, y'all. That's our little bundle of joy, though. Hey, Nettie say, y'all gonna see me a lot.
Y'all screenshot this and tag us on Instagram. No, do it again, babe.
Look.
Do it again. There you go, save that one.
Y'all tag us, tag on Instagram, tag on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever you got.
We're gonna post on our story, Instagram.
Well, everything down below. You know what you
know
gonna
I don't eat half.
You see, late at night, especially food like this, you eat half and say the other half.
In general. I'm full though.
Good.
And then still got a lot left.
I know you.
Literally, babe.
Not literally. Not me. Still got a little bit more left. So yeah, man. Make sure y'all subscribe.
We got ice cream in there.
Man, we
Still
got
haven't
some.
ate it since Friday.
We had ice cream since Friday.
We supposed to eat
So
it.
look out, some cookies and cream bluebell ice cream. Y'all comment down below what's our favorite ice cream. No cap. Y'all comment down below what y'all like. You know what I'm saying? Put us on some different stuff. We like vanilla, cookies and cream. We like the ice cream cone. There's a new one out.
That one we did like a lot.
What's that? Isn't it cookies and cream cone? The newest one that just came out?
I don't know what that one. But I don't know the ice cream cone. That one was
That
good.
one, hey y'all.
It had the chocolate covered cones in there.
Man.
And then it had the what you call it there too.
What?
The peanuts too, right? You have peanuts in there?
Oh man. Look y'all.
And then you remember the
Come on. But anyway, I remember when the ice cream first came out, it sold out in like 2 weeks.
2.
Or was it a week?
I don't know, one of those.
That was the time, that's when I was working with.
Oh, y'all.
I like to hit my baby. I said, what's wrong with you?
Hold on here. I will never hit her.
I said, I know you tired, but man, what's wrong with you?
She's smiling. But no, the 10, it's an ice cream bluebell guy called 10 Root. And you don't sell it, but Walmart has it sometimes. It's hard to find. Like, that one is good.
That's one of the best
Good.
She about to make me mad tonight, y'all. Always doing that crazy
Good. Y'all, I remember what was last night? I'm making you mad. What's that song? The night before that. Yeah, the night before last. I knew he was tired and sleepy. I was too. And I think
She won't mess with me late at night.
I gotta do my hair, right? Was it that night?
Yeah, you got done.
And I'm making him mad while he was trying to go to sleep. It was funny to me.
Took a picture of me while I was asleep. Didn't want to bother me, waking me up. Oh, it's still up. The baby's still up. I know she up.
But you fall asleep on her.
Shoot, I'm tired.
Shoot.
She's sitting there watching TV, watching her Mickey Mouse. She loves Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Y'all, we trying to put her on like baby TV shows and stuff.
Y'all comment down below what y'all do. What kind of TV shows y'all show y'all baby?
She on like baby TV shows.
She don't like baby TV shows. I try to put on, you know, let her watch ABC 1, 2, 3.
She don't like Coco Melon.
She don't like. She don't like Coco
Maybe
Melon.
when she get older.
Man, because it's not interesting to her.
But maybe when she get older, she'll probably like it. I know that's like probably like when she's like 1 years old. 1 years old.
Maybe we can say 1 year old. I think before that, because a lot of babies start watching before they want. But that girl, she don't like Coco Melon. I try to put on Baby Einstein if y'all remember that.
Baby Einstein.
But she don't even watch that.
She don't watch that.
Anyways. Like for real.
Like for real.
Josh!
Like, I know I make Marcus mad, y'all.
Please do this. I can't stand that Frozen stuff no more. Frozen is old. Look, I'm sorry, parents, and I'm sorry, kiddos. I don't even care. People our age, younger teenagers, I don't care. You like Frozen? Oh well, 'cause I don't. I'm tired of that movie. That movie is overrated. That movie is so overrated. Y'all be pumping it up like it's the best Disney movie out there. It's really not. What? No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Look at Aria.
She gets scared. You see what she do to my baby?
It's not funny. I love you, Mom.
You scared her. That's not funny. You scared her. My baby butter was scared like that. I wish she would. But yeah, man, we done eating. Put the food up. Then it's time to go.
For real. Because he trying to go to the gym in the morning. Girl, your girl's gonna sleep tomorrow or so because baby, your girl.
Why do you at 10 o'clock in the morning? It's not bad. I can still sleep in. You off tomorrow, though. Hey, man, y'all better get with her, man. I ain't gonna tell y'all no more. She the best writer in Houston. If you don't believe me, y'all can check out her page. This is her Instagram page right here. Y'all go check her out. Look at all the hairstyles she did. See how good she do. Most of the time when I'm with her, when she's doing hair, and even before Aria, way before Aria, everybody was saying that when she braids, it don't. What they say when they braid your hair, they don't feel it. Oh, poke your eye. Oh, you know, I don't like that. Oh, I don't know what it is about when babies get near your eye. I don't like that. I think it's that one Instagram video I saw. That one baby got her eye and pushed this girl eyeball off, yo. I'm not capping. I'm like, what? They so curious. I was want do all that. But yeah, what? See, I'm not gonna. But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all follow her Instagram page. Y'all check out her page. Yeah, check out all the hairstyles she do. And like I was saying, all the customers, all of her clientele was saying, you know, when she braids in, they don't feel nothing. Like she braids that good to where she braids gentle. Man, so cause most braids, they hard with it, they tough. Why they so rough and tough with it? Some people just heavy. Well, some people are heavy, and I understand that. But it's gentle when she braids, and they stay coming there, and it's still growing. Tell me, man, she. Tell me.
And I also have growing hands too. I get a lot of that.
Yeah.
Like hair grows. People's hair actually grows when I braid it.
Well, yeah, when she braids hair, that hair grows. That's something I've never heard of. But hey, that's actually lit. When you braid the hair grows.
Yeah, but some other braiders people braid hair.
I'm saying I've never heard that. That's lit. Your hair grow because she braids your hair. You know what I'm saying? She do it so gentle, got your hair going. Woohoo! It be lit like that. That's my baby. She make it grow. And I'm on. Right? Well, are you crying?
No, she got a spill on my face.
Yeah, I'm about to say, baby, why you crying? Why you crying? Because I'm talking about you? I'm gonna miss that little girl with the red toes. All right, y'all. So we done. We told y'all to move. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram. Check out her page, ladies. If you need to get your hair done, it's time to go to bed now. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, baby? Ain't that right, baby? Ain't that right, baby?
I said,
It's time to go to bed.
Yes.
Bedtime.
But y'all look. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of the video. This is gonna wrap everything up. We get ready for bed. He's playing with Aria right now. But don't forget to give this video what, babe?
Give it a thumbs up. Make sure y'all click that subscribe button. Come join the Easy family. And make sure y'all turn that bell so you be notified when we drop another
banger.
Or another
biggity vlog or biggity video.
You know what?
And we love you. I love you.
I love you. And baby Aria.
But yes, we're gonna see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all watch the full video. Y'all hope y'all watch the full video.
Watch the full video. So guess what, y'all? We're going to bed.
Peace. The girl is tired. Oh, huh?
Later.
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 Huh?
Oh, okay, I don't want to too much.
Bye, y'all. Peace.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, you guys, so there's one more. There's one more feature. I'm sorry, y'all. It's the next day. It's the next freaking day. So we got one more feature that we didn't show you yesterday when we showed you the car tour. Now let me show you real quick. Alright, y'all see that car over there? Y'all see this button? See this? What you do is, let me show you what you do. You press it, like you press the lock button twice. Now you see this button right here. You see that, y'all? Y'all see that? I forgot to let y'all know there is a auto start button on this key.
So yes, y'all seen that?
That auto start feature.
Yeah, we forgot to show y'all that yesterday, so that's what we are going to show y'all in this video. But yes, we ended it. We forgot to show y'all that. What's what you say to them, baby? Y'all, he big, eating ice cream and stuff. I'm playing. Baby, are you knocked out, y'all? She knocked out sleep. We watching YouTube videos, trying to get some ideas. Trying to get some ideas what we should do, cause y'all ain't telling us nothing. Y'all not telling us nothing at all. We trying to figure out what we should do. Y'all ain't telling us nothing. Like, come on now.
That's messed up.
Messed up. It's messed up. Yeah, look who calling. Let's see if she got this thing.
Yep.
Hey to the vlog.
Say hey to the vlog, mama.
Say hey to the vlog.
What's up?
But yeah, y'all, we're gonna end the video right here. We're gonna see you in our next video. So give this video a fat thumbs up, y'all. Smash the subscribe button, enjoy this channel, join the Easy family, and don't forget to click that bell, turn on post notifications. And we'll see y'all in the next video.